high school counselors. My name is Crystal Santiago, and today we're going to be working behind the scenes. And I started working in my elementary school counseling position, and I'm going to start redecorating and repurposing my office. Tip number one, make sure when you're finalizing your school year, make sure that you leave things as accessible as possible and clean as possible so you can declutter and you can take stuff out right away and put it in the right place. Start thinking about where you want your things, where do you want them to be placed, and some of the areas that I'm doing, and some materials that I found that are like non-expensive, like from the dollar store, from Five Below, from Walmart, and other places. So stay tuned. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Crystal Santiago, and I have a TPT store and an Etsy store called Counseling Solutions by Chris, or KNH Solutions on Etsy. So if you're looking for counseling shirts or accessories or items for your office, feel free to see the links down below. Okay, so let's go. I tried to leave the areas as best as I could and organize as best as I could. Pillows, blankets, and other type of things that I have. If you see, I archive everything in a random way because we need to leave everything empty. And let me show you another one just like that. I love to have an area for the puppets and the college and career awareness. Remember that I'm in elementary and I want them to explore. So I have this one. I bought this ones at $5 and I just dumped the puppets over here by categories. When you are leaving your school year, make sure that you have your book things very organized, so you just have to put them and that's it. It takes a while. So we have grief and loss, relationships, skills, growth, mindset, social awareness over there, and so much more. I'm gonna use all these pennants to make a big old college and career wheel in this area. I need to measure a little bit and put all the things that belong to this college and career section here. Okay, so we're gonna hand these lines with this one's from the dollar store with hot glue, and then these ones are from Five Below. These ones were $3 with Five Below, and you put the plants over here hanging on the sides like you're gonna see. You're gonna put them like this. There you go, and you're gonna hang them. Okay. These ones are also from Five Below and the boho theme, and I think they were like $3 for card and behind. And then in this ones I placed some velcros over here, and I'm gonna add hot glue. Those velcros were from the dollar store, and you just add the hot glue. And now we're gonna glue it on the wall like this. Give it 1 second. And usually here I put my Buddha board or my water fountain over here. I'm gonna leave it there, and then you can take a look how it looks. If you were able to stop by our booth, I'm so glad that we were able to connect. If we didn't have the privilege to know each other, I hope one day we can meet each other in person, face to face soon. Okay, so next video I'm going to be talking about behind the scenes and a little bit of things that I learned from the ASCA conference 2022.